I'm Tiffany Grimes, founder of Empower and Evolutionary Consulting. LaunchPad is a series of 6 workshops based on highly trainable soft skills. Soft skills make up the foundation of employment success, parenting relationships, and long-term partnerships. Our interactive virtual workshops are based on employer-driven soft skill needs. Let's use, for example, a CNA. If you're a CNA, to land that job, you've got to have proper lifting technique. You need to know how to administer meds. You need to know hospital and caregiving protocol and much more. These are hard skills or technical skills. They are required to earn your certification and to get the job. Soft skills, things like listening, contributing to a team, building emotional intelligence, and how to find solutions and possibilities rather than just problems, these are key to keeping your job. The combination of technical skills and soft skills are the winning combination for you, for your employer, and for those you serve. Our classes are designed to be interactive and meaningful. Our goal is that you leave each of our soft skill development classes with a tool, a resource, a model, or a formula that you can immediately apply to your life, both personally and professionally. If you choose to take the 6 one-hour workshops in the LaunchPad series and complete the post-series survey, you'll receive a certificate of achievement. That certificate explains the coursework you've taken, the hours you've put in, and it's a valuable part of your professional portfolio for sure. Soft skills are highly trainable, and we are excited to bring them to you in a virtual classroom via the LaunchPad series. We'll see you online.